Welcome, in front of me say myPhone City 2, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm just going to use the home screen. And once it's open and you can see it, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. You'll see this flash and then it disappears, saving screenshot, cool. And now the screenshot can be found in your photo gallery. So just find where that is, which appears to be here. So let's stop on that. Not interested in backups, keep off. And you can see right here, it's in the category screenshots, and once you tap on it, it expands. And this is basically the exact screenshot we have captured. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.